This is the new Comica Vimo S MI Mini wireless mic system that is designed for iOS devices and comes in a black or white color. If you own an Android, Comica has a version specific for you. I will link both down in the description below. The Comica Vimo S is an all-in-one mic system that should be able to handle all of your content. Instead of buying multiple different types of microphones, this little guy is designed to handle any recording you want to do on your smartphone, tablet, or PC. Does Comica have a huge hit with this mini wireless mic system or just an average run-of-the-mill mic? That is what I'm going to help you answer in this video. Let's get to it. What is going on, everybody? My name is Rich. If you haven't been here before, welcome to the channel. I'm super excited to have you guys here with me. Almost all review videos on microphones, you never see the reviewer actually using the microphone for the entire video. They only escape to it for a minute or so and then go back to their recording studio microphones. That's not what we're doing here. I'm using this for the entire video so you guys can get a real good sound of what it sounds like in a real use case scenario. Let's take a look at the design, then take a look at all of the features in this wireless mic system. Then I'll let you know who I think this wireless mic system is best suited for. First thing you'll notice is the magnetic rechargeable charging case. Comica calls this piece on top the Nixie tube display, which displays the battery level of the charging case and both receivers. On the bottom back of the wireless charging case, that's where you store the transmitter, and it magnetically attaches to the back. On one side, you have a USB port for charging the wireless mic system. On the other side, you have one button to display the current battery level. This wireless charging case is really small. When I hold it up to some AirPods, you're going to notice that it's just barely bigger. If I put it in front, it's not much bigger than that, so you can easily slip this in your pocket and not even have to worry about it. All right, let's take a look at some of the features on the Vimo S Me. Some features I think you guys are gonna love is the plug and play style. You literally just plug it into the port on your iPhone, iPad, PC, and it just works. There's nothing you have to do, no buttons you have to press. You just plug it in and it's instantly working. Built-in DPS chip. What that means is at a push of a button, you can filter out environment noises immediately, such as loud cars or planes nearby. The gain control could not be easier. You adjust the gain or the volume of your voice with the giant orange wheel on the transmitter. So that's the transmitter that you plug into either your phone, your tablet, or your PC. You can charge and use the receiver at the same time. That is crazy awesome. That's going to be really handy in multiple situations. The charging case provides 15 hours of usage time with each receiver lasting 5 hours. Also has a range of 200 meters in an open area direct line of sight. So if you are recording your voice and you are further away from the camera, you can go almost a football field away and it's still going to record crystal clear audio. A couple of things I would like to see Comica improve on this mic system. Well, number one is that it only has a clip on here, so you have to clip it onto something. Now, the DJI wireless mic system has a magnetic attachment, so you could put a magnet under your shirt and you can place it anywhere you want. That gives you a lot more flexibility in terms of where you want to put it on your body. Now, this only has a clip, so it has to clip onto something in the front. So it gives you a little bit less leeway there in terms of where you can place your microphone. Just something to be wary of. Now, when you plug the transmitter into your iPhone, if you have a really thick case around your iPhone, it might not plug in all the way. So you might have to take your case off for it to work properly. I think the Vimo S Me is best suited for content creators that are looking for an all-in-one solution. They're on a budget and they want excellent sound that is way superior than what comes with your iPhone or your iPad or just a built-in PC mic. Now, this is a massive step up in audio quality for around $100. To me, that's a no-brainer situation. I mean, it's an entry-level microphone and it's a huge step up. So overall, I think it's a great purchase. If you guys want to find out more information about the wireless mic system, I always include the links down below in the description so you can check that out. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please consider smashing that subscribe button, maybe drop a like, or if you have any comments, please leave them down below. Thank you for hanging out with me, and as always, I truly appreciate the support. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.